Sawadee krap. In this video, I will explain how to file the 90-day report using the paper form, a mandatory procedure for residents in Thailand. While online reporting is very convenient, system errors or specific conditions sometimes make it unavailable, forcing you to visit the immigration office in person. To prepare for such situations, let's look at how to correctly fill out the TM.47 form. I'll explain each section in detail using slides. Please watch until the end so you are ready when you need it. Next, let's look at the cases where you absolutely have to apply in person. The truth is, the online system isn't perfect. Specifically for these 4 situations, visiting the immigration counter is the ironclad rule. The most important one is your very first report after entering Thailand. If you try to apply online for this first one, it is guaranteed to be rejected. Since your data hasn't been linked to the system yet, you must go to the office and file a paper report. The second case is right after renewing your passport. You need to visit in person to register your new passport number. Finally, you cannot use the online system if there are persistent technical errors or if you accidentally miss the deadline and have to pay a fine. To avoid panicking in these situations, let's master the reliable paper application method. You can download the application form from the Chiang Mai Immigration Bureau's official website. Please download the form called TM.47 using this QR code or the link in the video description. Here is the actual TM.47 form. It might look a bit difficult with both Thai and English text, but don't worry. The sections you need to fill out are specific. Let's go through them in order from the top. Let's prepare before we start writing. Please print the form on A4 paper. A blue ballpoint pen is recommended, though black is also acceptable. Most importantly, have your TM.30 receipt ready. The address you write must match exactly, word for word, what was reported to immigration. Do not rely on your memory. Please copy it directly from your TM.30 receipt. Now let's start filling it out. We'll begin with the section in the top right corner. In the Written At field, write the place where you are applying, for example, Chiang Mai. For the date, please enter the actual day you will be visiting the immigration office. The section below to the immigration officer is where you write your own name as the applicant. Please print your full name here in all capital letters, exactly as it appears in your passport. For nationality, write Japanese. Next is the visa type. If you are on a tourist visa, check the top box for tourist. However, if you have a retirement or long-stay visa, please check the bottom box labeled non-IMM. This part can be a little tricky. In the field that says Entered Thailand on, please enter the date from the most recent entry stamp in your passport. Then, next to Buy, write your mode of transport, in other words, your flight number. Enter your passport number here. Next to it is the Arrival Card No field. Currently, the TM.6 arrival card has been discontinued for travelers arriving by air. Therefore, if you arrived by plane, it is okay to leave this blank. Now, the most important section, the address field. If there are any mistakes here, your application may not be accepted. Using the TM.30 receipt you prepared earlier, please copy the house number, street, and district exactly as they appear. You will find the phone number field either below or next to the address. Please enter your Thai mobile number here. Finally, the signature. You must sign here exactly as shown in your passport. If your passport signature is in kanji, sign in kanji. If it is in English, use English. A note of caution. The section at the bottom labeled for official use only is reserved for the officer. Please ensure you do not write anything in this box. Once your application is complete, you will be handed a separate stamped receipt showing your next due date. In the past, this was stapled into your passport, but the current practice, as shown in the photo, is to hand it over as a loose sheet. This slip is your lifeline for the next 90-day report. To avoid losing it, please clip it to your passport or store it securely in your passport case. I hope you found this guide helpful. Whether it's your first time or you're facing technical issues, please refer to this video to ensure your paper application goes smoothly. If this video helped you, please subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next video. Sawat di krap.